Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we're in Short Hills, New Jersey, about to complete a dual bypass enclosure. But today's video is not about the freaking shower door. Instead, what it is an actual review of the Huepar ZK380, if I'm not mistaken. I've had this guy for about 2 months, and I gotta say I've gotten no complaints. I use laser levels on a professional aspect, do about 5 estimates a day, and I use this to take dimensions for mostly shower doors. And one thing I really got to say, I mean, the accuracy is definitely spot on. I did compare this to my Bosch and also my dewalt, and like my wife says, I just love buying tools, so I put them side by side and I kind of just tested the accuracy. All three of them were 100% accurate within about 30 feet. So this guy is also as accurate. It does have the 2 horizontal lines. I'm a glass guy. I really don't know what the 2 horizontal lines are. I think it might be for tiling or something, but I'm not too sure. It does have the crosshairs and it's self-leveling. It gets pissed off when you go ahead and push it back and forth. It's like, hey, whoa, stop pushing me, leave me alone. As you see. One thing I do gotta say on this that surpasses the Bosch and the dewalt laser level that I have is this battery. The battery itself, I've had this again for nearly 2 months. 5 estimates a day, usually about 15-minute intervals between each one. And I've yet had to charge it, and this guy is still full power. So I am actually very impressed with that. One thing I hate to do is arrive to a job site, about to do the measurements, talking to my client, and then having to charge a battery, especially when you don't have a second one. So by far the battery life on this guy is 5-star, hands down. I haven't had to charge it, and it literally has not changed as far as the gauge is concerned. So aside from that cool stuff right there, I'll turn this guy off. It does come with a remote, but I left it in my other estimating truck. Let me go ahead and open the box the right way. There's the arrows. There they are. The arrows mean point up, open there. So let's check out the accessories. And I'm literally in the middle of an install. This is not a staged thing. I'm just taking a couple of minutes here to just make this review. It's got a bunch of accessories here. So you have your risers here that attach the metal stud. That's really good for general construction. This guy over here, I believe, attaches to 2x4s and stuff like that to hold the laser level in place. You have your telescoping receiver right there, and telescoping thingy riser. You know, sometimes you'll use it. I haven't had an opportunity to use any of these accessories yet. It does come with a charger. Comes with this thing, and it connects somewhere. I haven't had an opportunity to use it or a reason to. And it comes with a charger with the USB wall plug along with the charging cord. So again, overall, hands down, this has been the best laser level I've had in the arsenal of laser levels that I've used. Again, like dewalt and Bosch. Accuracy is 100%, again within 30 feet. But what really sets this guy apart and makes me feel more comfortable carrying this one around in comparison to the Bosch and the dewalt is the battery life. Again, I haven't had to charge this guy, and it is pretty solid. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spider will crawl on your face.